So, 5 reasons to watch Sideshow. Ang ganda ng music. Ang galing ng cast. Ang dami mong matututunan. Hindi pa nagagawa ang isang bagay na ito. This is something you've never seen before. And sobrang inalagaan ang pag-storytell nitong text na ito. Bakit mo siya dapat panoorin? Kasi kailangan mo to. I think this will make you think about things that you haven't asked yourself in a long time. Maybe ever. I think it would be a gift to be introduced to these songs. I think, and I think this is a great. Kung if hindi ka pa nakakanood ng musical, I think this is a good one to try. Galing na music. And song through ito, kung nakapag-nood ka na ng musical na masyadong maraming mga lines, ito, onti lang. Hindi lalagpas sa 10 ang walang tono na kinakanta namin. Almost lahat kinakanta. And if that's something you're interested in seeing, come watch our show. So, Sideshow the Musical, starting na po sa July 26 to August 17 at the Power Max Center Spotlight Black Box Theater. Get your tickets at tickettome.net/sandbox sideshow. Maraming salamat!